Hello, hello, welcome to Remade Pretty. Today we're going to make a beautiful Dollar Tree fall swag. It's so easy, anyone can do it, and best of all, it will only take 6 minutes and cost $6 to make. So if you're ready, let's go make something pretty. To get started, what you'll need is one large accent flower. Dollar Tree has these amazing clip sunflowers right now, and bonus, they're easy to attach. 4 Dollar Tree stems. You can use almost any type of stem or any color combination. I was going for a harvest theme. A pre-made bow or some Dollar Tree ribbon to make your own. Mine was a Christmas leftover. It originally came in a pack of 2. Some floral wire, or you could substitute pipe cleaners. And last but not least, zip ties. To assemble your swag, the first step is to lay out your design. You want to go for sort of a cone shape. So I like to choose a stem for the bottom that has some long pieces to give it the illusion of a long kind of pointy bottom. Layer the stems on top of each other until you're satisfied. Once you know how you want them to be layered, you can start to secure them together. Take the bottom 2 stems and zip tie them together where the stems meet. Once you have that first bundle, add your next 2 stems and zip tie them to that bundle, making the base of your swag. Turn everything over and you should have something that looks like this. The top stem's stalk should be exposed at the top. This is where you're going to build your handle. Now simply clip the big sunflower to the swag at the top, leaving enough room for the bow. Now we can make the handle. Make a loop out of your floral wire and place it at the top. Using the rest of the floral wire, start wrapping to secure it in place. I used the whole package for demo purposes, but you really only need about half a package. Before you wrap that last bit of floral wire, add your bow to the top and secure it in place with the rest of the wire, wrapping it underneath the streamers of the bow. And that's it, you're done. And look at that. This came out so pretty and it was so easy to do. The zip ties really held everything together nicely. Mine's about 28 inches tall, so it's pretty big, and it definitely has a high-end look. You can hang it on a doorknob, make a couple to go on your staircase or your mantle, anywhere you want that touch of seasonal decor. You can do this not just for fall, but any season or holiday. The technique is the same. This is one I made for a friend who just bought a beach house. Dollar Tree had these great blue leaf picks, and the Amaryllis I used on the bottom I thought looked like coral. I added some shells I had in my stash from a wedding bouquet I made for my niece, which was the perfect touch. Dollar Tree has bags of shells you could use, and the shell bra would make a good top. Attach some pipe cleaners to the shells to include them in the arrangement, and just put it together the same way with zip ties. Wrap the top for a handle. Here I use some rope, which Dollar Tree also carries. I really love this one. I was thinking you could easily swap out the mini pumpkins for some Christmas ornaments and you would instantly have something for Christmas. Here's another example. I couldn't resist the mauve, burgundy, and white picks Dollar Tree is carrying. The large dahlia made the perfect top. Once I got started, I couldn't stop. Here's another one for Halloween. And I can't wait for the Christmas florals to come out. Okay, I'll stop now, but it was so easy to get carried away with these easy DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me some comments. I thank you for watching, and keep making pretty things.